Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about turtle diagram. What is turtle diagram? What are the benefits of turtle diagram? And what are the parameters in turtle diagram? We are going to explain with examples. Actually, turtle diagram provides a graphical representation of the entire process, and it's highlighted the its inputs, output, support processes and interested parties. And it allows the organization to visualize and understand the process and how identified any gaps or inefficiencies, as well as streamline QMS process improvement. These are the main constituents of the turtle diagram. Next, these are the structure of the turtle diagram actually. In structures, the diagram looks like the body of a turtle with component as body, legs, head and tails. Now, input means what resources we are using, and output delivery what means output is the delivery what means what are the produced by using that input means after activity input converted into output, that is delivery. In input we are using the resources means what resources we are using, and method means how it can be done. And in output section we are measure what results and as well as who resources. These are the output side, and these are the structures actually look like the turtle. Next is what is turtle diagram? As I earlier explained, turtle diagram is a great tool for visualizing process characteristic, and process are made up of input and output criteria etc. And a turtle diagram visualize a process to assist in their effective execution and improvement. The diagram looks like the body of a turtle with component as body, legs, head and tails. Now, what is the benefits of the turtle diagram? Actually, turtle diagram allows any you to look at the entire process as well as the communication and mapping of interrelated processes with relevant functions and level within the organization. Now, turtle diagram can help both management and workforce for better understand the process. And the turtle diagram also help lay out the framework in an easy to follow fashion and can identify gaps in organization structures. These are very important tools for identifying the gaps and identifying the relationship means mapping of the interrelated processes with relevant functions and labels within the organizations. Now, where do you use a turtle diagram? Actually, they can be used for any processes anywhere in ISO 9000. ISO 9001 does not require a turtle diagram, but the turtle diagram can help you understand your processes as well as define the criteria for measuring process effectiveness. And there are several clauses within the ISO 9001 requirement that may benefit by using the turtle diagram. These are the some clauses like 4.1 understanding the organization and its context, 4.2 interested parties, and 5.2 that is quality policy, like 6.1 is the risk management, 7.2 is competence, 7.3 awareness, 7.4 communication, and 8.4 is control of external provider, and 8.7 is NC product handling, and 10.2 is non-conformity and corrective action, 10.3 is continual improvement. In these clauses we can use the turtle diagram. Now we are going to explain a turtle diagram with example. We are taking an example of statistical process control, that is SPC. This is the example of the statistical process control, that is SPC studies. In this example, an input is defined input, that is list of the special or safety critical characteristic, measuring instruments and inspection reports. And output is SPC chart, process capability reports, and recommended action reports. And in input section, with what means what material or equipments uses, that is measuring devices, equipments, parts, material, computers. And how we can measure the SPC means what are the method, procedure, and techniques. That data collection, that is calculation of X and R chart, calculating the control limits, calculating CPCPK, these are the. And in output sections, with whom means competency, skills, and trainings, that is knowledge in process capability studies, computer knowledge, analytical, and IATF also knowledge and requirements. And with what results means in output section also, what results means what are the performance indicators or process measures or KPIs or objectives, like adherence of the SPC plan. This is the one example of the turtle diagram. In example, input size is uh, with what means what are the material or equipment, and how method or procedures, this is input side. And output section is like the what results, and as well as with whom and what results. These are the four sections: with what, how, and with whom, and what results, including input and output. With what and how, input converted is with whom, and what results in output section. This is the turtle diagram. Thank you very much.